Они в фронте сразу вобьют в компьютер и увидят.
Посмотрят.
По идее, просто если рейс дальше федеральный, то багаж нужно будет получить. Обычно...
По логике, да. Обратитесь, пожалуйста, в здание
Они
аэропорта. До
пробьют
свидания,
сразу по
всего
броне.
доброго.
Just landing. Okay, so right now I'm at the airport in Moscow and I need to collect my luggage. How far is the metro from here?
I don't know. It's my first time here.
Okay.
You came from?
Они в фронте сразу вобьют в компьютер и
И
увидят.
посмотрят.
По идее, просто если рейс дальше федеральный, то багаж нужно будет получить. Обычно...
По логике, да. Обратитесь, пожалуйста, в здание
Они
аэропорта. До
пробьют
свидания,
сразу по
всего
броне.
доброго.
Всего доброго.
Just landing airport and let me show you around. Okay, so right now I'm at the airport in Moscow and I don't know, I'm just walking with the people who got off from my plane, so that's how I'm just seeing things, and I'm still about to get my luggage and everything else, but then so far so good. is the immigration area, and I might have to turn off the camera right now. So I think I just came from the immigration counter. They took my passport, and then they told me to wait for some time, and then after some time they called me back, and then they gave me my passport, and then there was some receipt that I had to sign. I don't know if it was immigration or not, but then yeah, so just trying to figure out where to go next. I landed here and I need to collect my luggage.
Where you come from? Delhi?
Yeah, from Delhi.
You checked where is
Excuse me. Can you help me where I have to go next? I'm not sure where I need to get my luggage from.
Block number 5. Pick up your baggage.
Belt number 5.
Yes.
Thank you. Yeah, so there's a challenge that most of the things written are in Russian, but then the staff knows English, some of them, and then some of them don't. So I went to the lost and found section, asked someone there, and they helped me with that. They said that my bag would be at belt number 5, and I think I found it. It's just going round and round. That's how it is. So I've got my bag, and now let's just see where I'm supposed to go. I think yeah, there's this exit, and I'll just leave from there. This is what I've got. Here's the bag. So I've got to the bag, now I'm at the exit. I need to go to the metro, and then probably that's from where I can go to my host's place. And yeah, here's how this place looks like. Excuse me, do you know where is the exit? How do I exit?
I guess, yes.
From there? And how far is the metro from here?
I don't know. It's my first time here.
Okay.
You came from
I came from Delhi.
Delhi. You stayed there. You're for vacation.
Yeah, I came here for New Year's and New Year vacation.
But I don't know where it is.
Where are you
I'm
from?
waiting for my friends. I'm from Tajikistan.
Oh, okay. I thought probably you're local from here. But you know Hindi when you were
Yeah,
talking.
I'm studying there now.
In where?
Hyderabad.
Oh, where?
Osmani University.
Right. Okay. So, okay, this is your first time, so you don't,
Yeah.
you don't know.
I don't know. But it's
Sure. Thank you. Yeah, so right now I came in from there. This is the area entrance, and I'm standing in front of the bus stop. I think this bus is going to take me to the metro station. So here's how it looks like.
Внимание, пассажир Любин Александр. Пассажир Любин Александр, вылетающий рейсом 2374 авиакомпании «Аэрофлот Лион». Нас просят пройти в зону досмотра международных линий. Attention to passenger Любин Alexander, Aerophone flight 23742 to Lyon. Please proceed to security.
It's cold, but it's not too cold, so my hands are a bit freezing while it's outside, but then at the same time it's not cold that you cannot keep your hands outside. It's -7 here, but I think it's still bearable. Nothing something that's too much. I think it is somewhere close to what it is in Manali, that sort of. But yeah, I think maybe because it's within the city, so that could be one thing. And now I'm waiting for the tickets, metro, and here's this nice gentleman who helped me buy tickets. Something similar to kulcha today, which was nice.
I know how to cook.
And she's coming to India again
Very
very soon.
in 2 weeks.